Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let's discuss how to view trending searches in App Store. Let's open App Store application, and you want to go to Searching tab in the bottom right corner of your screen, which looks like magnifying glass icon, and at the top you will see suggested section. So this is the section that shows applications or games that are currently gaining some attention based on some trends and your interests, but there is another way how we can view trending searches in App Store. So we want to use the searching bar. Let's tap it, and you want to start typing any kind of letter. Let's type letter P, for example, and App Store will instantly list the most frequent searches starting with this letter. At the top you can see that Pinterest application is the most popular for the letter P. Let's try K, for example, KFC, and let's try D, Discord. So you get the concept. This is the most accurate way to see real-time search volume for specific topics. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.